Hi everyone, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to sign up on DeviantArt. For that, first of all, open up your DeviantArt app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you'll see the option of join. Tap on it. Now you'll have to create a username, add your email address that you want to link to your account, and retype your email address to confirm it. When you're done, tap on next. After that, you'll have to create a password and retype the password to confirm it. Then select your birth month, birthday, and your birth year. After you're done, tap on join. Grant all the permissions prompt on the screen. To verify your account, DeviantArt will send you an email, so open up your mail. Then tap on confirm my email to verify. This way you can create DeviantArt account. Now you can share your art, get inspired, follow your favorite artists, join groups, chats, and stay up to date. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.